He could have used some assistance and guidance. That is why, upon his acceptance into the top choice school, University of California, Davis, he began informally assisting friends and colleagues navigate the daunting application process. Over the time, it was rewarding for him to hear of their successes as they all went on in top MBA, MS, PhD, and other master level programs. Before founding Colmission, he worked as a global consultant in areas of supply chain management, production planning, and M&A activities for Fortune 500 companies. He founded Colmission with the help of MBAs and engineers with deep expertise in admission consulting services. Colmission helps students to apply to MBA, MS, and PhD programs in top-tier US universities. We partner with students and their families and assist them in each and every step of the complex admission process. I am Sibakalyan Mohanty. I have worked for multiple global companies and have an experience of over 6 years in e-learning development. Today I will host the informative presentation and give deep insights into the complex visa process and the ways of answering the visa interview. International students who do brilliantly during the rounds of the admission and stand tall with the acceptance letter in hand are often worried about the US visa. Undoubtedly, getting into the country having the largest economy won't be easy, as you have to go through many formalities. Students often confuse themselves with the documents required, the forms to fill, and the financial requirements. The visa interview can be one of the toughest stages to cross. At times, the nervousness and lack of confidence gets the better of them. Therefore, it is also important to understand the ways through which you can successfully complete the visa interview. We aim to educate international students about the various formalities through which they can get the US student's visa. We will also discuss about the ways to maintain a student's visa and the entire complications associated with it. In the second part of the video, we will talk about the different questions asked during a visa interview and discuss the appropriate ways of answering the questions. Getting a US visa is not as complex as it may seem, if and only if you get the things right. Through this video tutorial will help you find solutions to your problems and figure out the ways through which you can cross the final threshold, that is getting the US visa, and live your dream of getting into the institution of your choice. The US visa process is a step-by-step guide that provides a detailed overview of the requirements of the visa granting authorities of the United States and helps you identifying the ways through which you can effectively complete the formalities associated with the visa process, including the visa interview. The course will introduce you to various challenges while applying for a US student's visa, like the documentation, how to obtain the all-important I-20 form, how to apply for student's visa, how to manage finances, how to crack a visa interview, maintaining the visa status, how to deal with a visa denial, and how to face the visa interview. It will also help you find solutions to these challenges. Now, let us discuss the importance of this course. Most students who do brilliantly in their admission rounds fail to get the student's visa and unwillingly compromise with their dream of studying in the United States. There may be various reasons like inability to obtain the I-20 form, unable to demonstrate financial strength, nervous during the visa interview, lack of knowledge of documentation, and the visa process. These factors lead to a visa denial, and the international students with abundant talent and potential compromise with their dream. In short, the student's visa gets denied because they are not aware about the complex visa process. This course will cover every aspect which you need to know about the student's visa process and will help you navigate through the complex formalities. As mentioned before, the course provides relevant information on the student's visa process. It is recommended for any individual who has got an acceptance letter from an institution of United States and wants to know about the ways through which he or she can go through the daunting visa process. This video will provide all the necessary information relating to the student's visa along with the ways through which you can crack the visa interview. Our informative video will surely improve your chances of getting the student's visa and will help you live your dream of studying in United States of America. Now let us discuss what does the course cover. This course is presented in an 87-minute video which is divided into 15 segments. Through these lectures, you'll know the various reasons for which visa is mandatory. how to get the US visa, how to apply for visa, paying the visa application fees, the all important visa interview, the ways through which you can demonstrate financial strength, important facts and information about the US visa. You will be acquainted with the frequently asked questions on visa process. We will also cover the legitimate questions asked during the visa interview. We will take a look at the questions asked by the interviewer to verify your intent to return. Finally, we will discuss the questions based on your financial ability. You will learn about the documentation and financial requirements and ways through which you can effectively complete the visa interview. In the later videos, you'll come across the frequently asked questions that will improve your outlook on the US visa process. And in the concluding parts of the video, we'll discuss about the all-important visa interview process and discover the answers to various questions asked by the consular officer. After going through this tutorial, you'll be able to learn everything that you have to know in order to get the student's visa, starting from the documentation to the maintenance. The tutorial will provide valuable information and you will be able to know what documents to bring, how to apply, the details about the I-20 form, how to convince the authorities during the visa interview, what to do if visa is denied, the things you should do while entering the United States, how to prepare yourself for the visa interview, the ways through which you can establish your intent to return and justify your financial ability. In short, this course will familiarize you with the student's visa process and train you for the all-important visa interview, thereby increasing your chances of studying in the United States of America.